turn, doing our morning chores. And when we finish our chores, feeding the animals, giving hay to the goats and the cow, checking on all the animals, we're gonna do a complete puppy update. It's about time. A lot of y'all have been asking for it. When I opened the gate this morning, all the goats and the cow ran out. They at least think they're hungry this morning. Let's get y'all some hay. What are you chickens doing in here? It is a nice warm dry place, isn't it? Alright, all the animals are fed. Let's check on these puppies. We have them down here in our feed room, which is probably the warmest room outside the house on the property. And except for the coldest nights, this is where they're gonna stay. They're in this dog house in a big thick bed of straw. And Sassy's actually right here under these stairs taking a break from the puppies while the puppies are in here. Come on y'all, let's go. Not sure if there's anything cuter than a box full of puppies. Oh, you can see.
No, you don't. You stay inside now.
Sassy picked a good time to have puppies because we've been giving her all of our like really good meat leftovers, and she's just getting a ton of extra nutrition. Food and then puppies, right?
Instead of puppies and then fish.
He has actually been that way since he was a baby, just food. If he's hungry, that's all he can think about.
I know exactly.
All their eyes are open. Oh, you are so whiny. Be gentle. He's very cute.
He's just the color that I wanted.
You're a cutie. I think you're the little one. All these puppies are fat and sassy, but some of them are especially fat and sassy. Like this
Roly-poly.
little boy right here. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's put them all back in their box and put them away.
This is the fattest one.
He is a fatty. You're a fatty, Cuddle, so you've been hogging the mama. Hey, Sup. Come on, Sassy, get in out of the rain. Come on down here with your babies. Put a clean layer of straw in there so they've got a clean bed to sleep in. Because puppies are messy animals. You guys are messy animals. Go in there. Go cuddle in a ball. It won't be quite as cozy as this box, but just about. We're enjoying having these puppies and found a lot of homes for them already. I've got that door propped where it won't close, so Sassy just has enough room to run in and out. Let's go eat breakfast.
We don't have any more.
How's your breakfast, kids?
Bonnie had more than me. Gracie had more than me. Well, I'm talking about getting all that.
Just wait till Daddy gets his plate, please.
And then we can have some more.
That looks delicious, Mommy. It's a big Dutch baby.
I said it's a funny, funny Dutch baby because I didn't have any butter and I didn't have any milk, so I used lard and coconut milk.
Oh wow.
So it's a little different this morning.
It tastes like bread, plain bread, but it's not crunchy.
Thanks for joining us today as we showed off these 9 amazing and incredibly cute puppies. We're enjoying them and I hope that you did. This has been another great day on the homestead and we'll see you in a video really soon. Goodbye.